Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on cloud integration with MuleSoft step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your business needs and current system architecture. Identify the specific applications and data sources you wish to integrate. Evaluate MuleSoft's capabilities in relation to your integration requirements. Create a detailed plan outlining your integration strategy. Choose an appropriate pricing model based on your organization's budget and needs. Sign up for a trial version of MuleSoft to familiarize yourself with its features. Leverage the MuleSoft Anypoint Exchange to find reusable connectors and templates. Utilize pre-built APIs available in Anypoint Exchange to reduce development time. Engage your development team in training sessions to maximize their proficiency with the platform. Use the API-led connectivity approach to break down integrations into manageable layers. Consider utilizing MuleSoft's cloud deployment options for cost efficiency. Optimize your data flow by using MuleSoft's data weave for data transformation. Monitor and analyze your integrations regularly to identify areas for cost savings. Take advantage of MuleSoft's built-in analytics tools to gain insights into your usage. Look for opportunities to consolidate redundant integrations to streamline operations. Adjust your integration processes based on features. Review your licensed features periodically to ensure they align with your needs. Plan for scaling your integrations as your business grows to avoid future costs. Collaborate with other teams to share knowledge and best practices around integrations. Explore community forums and resources offered by MuleSoft for additional support. Continuously refine your integration strategy to enhance efficiency and reduce expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.